Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Simran and I do makeup, beauty and sometimes lifestyle content here on my channel. So if that interests you, I hope you will consider subscribing to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to do a try on lipstick haul. Now this is something that I've never done before, but this time during the Nykaa Hot Pink sale, I just went all out on lipstick, like all crazy on lipstick, and I bought a shit ton of lipstick. And please do not expect any colored lipstick in this haul because it's just going to be all nude lipsticks. Whether it's going to be light nudes, medium nudes, dark nudes, it's just going to be nudes. Okay, you know what, I'm just so excited about this video. I just want all of those lipsticks on my lips and I just want to try them out. Of course I have already tried them out before, but like I just want to properly try them out and show you guys how they look. Before this video and the lip swatching and everything even starts, you guys tell me which one is your favorite lipstick shade. Okay, you have to tell me that in the comments down below. The next lipstick that I have is the Nykaa Matte Luxe lipstick in Avocado Toast. I actually went to Nykaa store and I did not swatch it because I didn't have the time for it, but I just twisted up the tube and saw the color, and I really like the packaging, and it also has like a magnetic closure to it, which I love. So on my lower lip where I have no pigmentation, it has covered my lip no problem, but on my upper lip I have a little bit of like pigmentation on the upper side, and I can still see it in real life, just a little bit, but I can still see it. I don't personally have a problem with it, but just something to keep in mind if you are someone who does have a problem with it. And this is a very beautiful, very warm toned, I won't be using any separate lip liner underneath any of the lipsticks that I'm about to show you because I want you guys to see how they look on their own. Ooh, next up is my absolute favorite. This is the K Beauty Matte Drama Matte Lipstick and it's in the shade Snapshot. I saw this for the first time on K Beauty's Instagram, I want to say, and it looked stunning. It looked like my perfect nude. This is how it looks like. It's also a bullet lipstick, and this one also has that magnetic enclosure. This is how it looks like, the perfect pinky mauvey brownie nude. This is literally my perfect nude. I think I'm going to finish this lipstick up and I'm going to gift this to my mom, to my best friend, to every woman in my life, because look at this shade. This is the shade that I was searching for since I started wearing lipsticks. I'm not even kidding you. And it feels so soft and smooth on the lips, way more than the Nykaa Matte Luxe one. Now this lipstick feels way more comfortable and moisturizing on my lips than the Nykaa Matte Luxe one, and I think they are around the same price. I'll leave their prices like here on this side just to do a little comparison. It's stunning. I love it so much. And this is the swatch of the Nykaa Avocado Toast lipstick. I forgot to swatch it. Next I have the Matinee Lip Crayon by K Beauty and I got this for free. It's in the shade Scripted. It's definitely a way lighter color than I would ever go for. This is so easy to apply. You don't even need a lip liner with this because of the pointy tip, and I love that. As you can see, this color straight up washes me out, but I can definitely see how I can make this work. I just have to use a darker lip liner and use this in the centers, and I think it'll be perfect. Again, this is a peachy tone and I don't usually go for peachy tones in my lipsticks personally. By the way, I love how matte this is. It's a crayon and not a liquid lipstick, but it actually like looks as matte as a liquid lipstick, but it doesn't feel as drying as a liquid lipstick. I definitely have to wear it for a longer time to tell if it gets drying throughout the day or not, but for right now it feels a little bit more comfortable than a liquid matte lipstick. I got this Maybelline Superstay ink crayon, but I can't find the shade name anywhere on the packaging, and I've forgotten the shade name. By the way, I will leave all these lipsticks listed and linked in my description box, so don't forget to check it out. It's so pointy, I love that. It seems like a pinky nude color, which I've been wanting. Wow, it's so smooth on the lips, like one swipe smoothness. Now this lip crayon is again one of those that you can skip out a lip liner if you want to because of its sharpness, and also it has a sharpener at the back, so you can literally just do this. Oh yeah, a little bit came out and it became sharper.
But how do I clean it? Oh my god. No, I'm just going to put it back like this.
It has covered up my pigmentation quite well. I like it. It's a muted but still bright pink on me, but regardless it's going to look beautiful with or without a liner, which is what I love in a lipstick, and it feels very comfortable on the lips so far. And I'll be swatching it over here. So this looks like a really delicious pinky nude. So then I got another Nykaa lipstick, but it comes in this variant. I don't know what the name of this line is. I'll find it on Nykaa and put it up on the screen, but the shade is called Game On. Again, it's a pinky nude. I've actually been loving pinky nudes. Wow, that was so pigmented, and this one is cheaper than the matte Luxe Nykaa lipstick. I love this shade. Let's see how it looks on my lips. It has a very old school lipstick smell to it. It's a satin finish nude pink lipstick. I did want something like this in my collection. That was a nude pink but a little bit darker, and that I could just throw on in a hurry. I love how creamy and hydrating it feels on my lip. Yeah, I think I love the color, I love the finish, I love how moisturizing it feels on my lips. However, since it is not a matte lipstick, it definitely will transfer and it won't be as long lasting. Next up, I have a lip liner by K Beauty. This is the Matte Action Lip Pencil in Hype, and I've already tried this at the back of my hands. Let me show you the color. A perfect brown nude. It looks amazing. I'm sure it'll look amazing underneath a lot of different lipsticks. By the way, I'm pretty sure that this lip liner is super long lasting because the last time that I swatched it, it was not coming off of my hand. I even washed my hand with the soap and it was not coming off. So these are like super long wearing. Keep that in mind. Oh my god, this color is perfect to overline and contour your lips with. Wow. And I'm pretty sure that it's transfer proof. Let's test it. Nothing. Honestly, I love how it looks on my lips just on its own. Please, K Beauty, if you're watching this video, please make a lipstick in this formula and in this exact color. They're going to be sold out, believe me. Look at this, how pretty. I wanted to show you guys these Lush Rouge by Hina Haina Beauty. It's an Instagram makeup page that I found. They're an Indian brand and they're an indie makeup brand, so please go and support them. This is actually phenomenal. I've used it twice by now. I'm actually wearing the shade Mallow today and it's my favorite shade of pink. So I have the shades Mallow, which is this one. Guys, you need one dot of this. Like I put one dot here, one tiny dot here, and that is what I have as my blush. This is in the shade Russet, I don't know. I had no blush or lipstick in this color, and that's why I got this. I really thought that since this was like a liquid blush, sort of, this was going to be a little bit more satin or glossy, but it's not, which is totally fine. I feel like this matte is comfortable on the lips. That is all I care about, a lipstick being comfortable on my lips. But the shade Mallow, like I used it like a proper liquid lipstick, and please don't laugh at me. It looks like a hot bubblegum pink shade on my lips. I must mention that I've already worn it once as my lip tint sort of, and twice as my blush. And if you use it like a tint, you know, press it with your fingers and take a small amount, it actually looks amazing on your lip. But using it as a proper liquid lipstick with the wand and like with this opaque thing, I don't think I am enjoying the color as much on myself. Alright, now I have a bunch of Maybelline lipsticks, and these are all pretty much nude lipsticks, so let's swatch these. I'm starting off with the shade 657 Nude Nuance, and this is from the Matte Creams range. Where do I swatch it? I'll swatch it here. Again, a perfect combination of brown, and it has pink undertones to it, which I absolutely love. Now this is a dark nude that's going to be perfect for medium to dark skin tones on me, and lighter than me skin tones it's going to look dark, as you can probably see. Also, it feels very creamy and hydrating on the lips, which you guys know I absolutely love. Okay, so the next Maybelline lipstick is from the Powder Mattes range, and it's in the shade Almond Pink. This is probably my favorite pink lipstick that I have ever come across. Not just the shade but also the formula. It's of course a powder matte finish. It's super pretty on your lips, you'll just see. Look how pretty. If I were to ever wear a pink lipstick, this would be it. It's such a perfect nude pink, and I love how pigmented and comfortable it is. Like, I literally had to go over my lips once, maybe twice, and there was a huge amount of pigment. How are they doing it at that price? It's beyond me. Besides the K-Beauty Snapshot lipstick, I think this is like my second favorite. The next Maybelline lipstick is the 660 Touch of Spice. I don't know what collection this is from, but this has a completely different lid and the collection is not mentioned. So these are the three Maybelline lipstick collections that I have had. The one that comes in this packaging is called the Powder Mattes, which I think is my favorite, and the one that comes in this dark brownish packaging is called the Matte Creams. And then this purple one, I don't know what it's called or what line is it from. Okay, that was pigmented again. So this is how it looks. It feels creamy, it's very pigmented. It's a very nude pink shade that has brown undertones in it. I think you guys know by now I love brown and pink in my perfect nude lipstick, and this has all of that. It feels hydrating on the lips, which I love because by now my lips are pretty much like broken. I've swatched so many lipsticks. I think this is one lipstick that is going to look good on all different skin tones, from light to deep dark. Of course, depending on your skin tone, it's going to show up differently. Look at the condition of my arms, guys. I actually love this. It's my heaven, my nude lipstick heaven. So the next lipstick is again from the Powder Mattes range, and it's called Touch of Nude. Guys, I think I must mention that the Powder Matte formula just feels superior to the other two Maybelline formulas. It honestly feels so smooth on my lips, and I love the finish that it gives on my lips as well. Very matte but very comfortable. The pigmentation in all the Maybelline lipsticks is like top notch, even though they're so affordable. And this is how the shade looks like. I love this shade. I will definitely use it with a darker lip liner. On me it's looking a little bit more pinky peach, which honestly is not my favorite tone of lipstick, but for some reason in this I feel like it's looking okay, and I think I can make it work, so I'm totally okay with this. Wow, this is like a top-notch lipstick formula right here, the Maybelline Power Mattes. Alright, get ready for the last lipstick. I have the shade Raw Cocoa. And oh my god, I think this is, look at the color of this. Wow. I have found my favorite vampy fall shade. I have literally no words for how much I love this lipstick, and the first time that I actually saw this I was like, okay, why did I get this? Please remind me. Like, look at the color of this. When am I ever going to wear this? Because I usually just wear nudes, right? But the moment I put this on my lips, and the best part is I have tried this mixed in with other lighter lipsticks that washed me out and with lipsticks that didn't wash me out, and it looked phenomenal each time with each and every single lipstick. I would suggest that you definitely pick this up. I love how vampy, cool toned, fall, autumn, winter, whatever you want to call it, this shade is. It's making my soul happy right now just even looking at this. It's safe to say I'm obsessed. I feel like, you know, this is what I feel like when I wear this lipstick. Okay guys, so after 1 million lip swatches later, we have reached an end to this video. Please let me know if you guys would like more such lip product videos, or maybe some other product swatch videos. I don't know, anything you want to see on my channel, please comment down below and I will make sure to do it. Thank you so much for watching. I love having you here on my channel. To be in the loop for more videos, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications. Do not forget to check out the description box where I have linked my social media handles. So if you would like to follow me on Instagram or Twitter, you can. And also I've listed all these lipsticks in the description and also linked them so it's easier for you to shop. But before I go, let me know what lipstick shade was your favorite on me. I think that's it. Thank you once again for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.